Hi, hello everyone. Today we are making Sindhi Kadhi. Okay, here we go with the recipe. This is curry pata, green chili, ginger, amchur, haldi, little red chilies, methi dana, jeera. This is green peas, singi, bindi, aloo, beans, gawar, baigan, lotus flower. This is jaggery, this is tomato puree, this is water, hing and salt. And this is oil and besan. So you can take 1 katori of oil and 1.5 of besan. Here we go. Wait for a few minutes till the oil becomes little warm, not hot, okay? So that we can put little jeera. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now we put jeera. We put curry patta. We put green chili. We put ginger. And now we put little bit mustard seeds, okay, and we'll see till it becomes little fried. Now we put little hing, okay, for digestion. Now we put the besan. Now we are frying the besan and let it be little brownish. Here we keep stirring because it should not stick or burn, but till it becomes brown. Yeah. See, now it's turning from yellow to brownish. We have to keep stirring continuously to get a nice rich brown color. More, but it will become soon. See, now it's become little brown. We have to do it little more to get a nice rich color. You can see now the color it's become nice rich brownish color. Now we will add tomato puree and all the vegetables. You can reduce the gas. This is all tomato. Keep stirring and keep adding water. If you want to eat with rice, you need to make little thick or thin gravy. In case you want to eat with roti or chapati, then thick is also good. Now I add more water. Okay, here we add water. Now I will add some amchur, haldi and a pinch of red chili. And I have added sufficient amount of water because when we boil it reduces and it becomes more thick. I will add vegetables. I will wait for it to boil. Yeah. Now you can see it's boiling. So we will add the vegetables. I will add some green peas, some singi, And I can add some lotus pieces. Yeah. Now I'm putting little potatoes and gawar so that these need little more time to cook. I have fried a little bit brinjal and bhindi, so I will put them in the end. And now I'll add some salt. Okay, and little jaggery for khatta meetha tikha taste. Little bit jaggery. Now we will stir nicely and keep it to boil till the vegetables are nearly done, and then we can add brinjal and ladyfinger. Okay, cover it up and keep it for boiling. I think now all these vegetables are half done, nearly done. Now we will add bhindi and baigan. After stirring, we will keep it to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes more till it is done. Till then we will do bhindi aloo ki bhaji and rice. Our curry is ready. Our curry is ready. Now, before we dish it out, we'll put some coriander leaves and ready to serve with rice, bhindi ki bhaji. Okay, now we'll dish it out. Yeah. Brinjal, where's the potato gone? Here is the potato. We'll turn the gas off. Our curry is ready. We can have it with curry with rice or with bread slice, or we can have it like a soup. It's basically like a sambar full of vegetables. Do enjoy and let me know. How did you like it? Thank you.